back to my channel. So for today's video is we are going to unbox another bag from this brand right here. So if you guys are into this type of video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will always get notified every time I post a new video. You can also follow me at my Instagram right here, and I am so prominent in there. So if you guys have any question in regardings with all the bags that I've been showing you guys in my channel, you can DM me in there anytime, and I'm gonna try and respond to all of your messages as much as I can. So let's get started. Okay, so you guys already saw the unboxing video. You guys already saw as well the details of this bag. So here is the bag right here. I do apologize if I didn't remove all the wrappings while I was doing the unboxing. It's because I feel like, well, as soon as I open this bag, as soon as I unbox this, I feel like I am going to return this bag right away. It's because as soon as I remove all the stuffing inside this bag is kind of stiff. I know it's gonna loosen up later on as I use this bag, but for me, I feel like this one is kind of like a Saffiano leather, and it feels like it kind of looks like cheap. I'm not sure if it's because of the leather and the color combination. I'm not sure. Probably if you guys get this in black or the neutral colors, it would probably much better compared to this one. I really love this one. I really love the color. So as you guys can see here, it doesn't have any feet. This bag is also versatile because you can actually carry this as a handheld. You can also put this on your wrist like this. You also have the option to carry this on your shoulder or use this as a crossbody. The strap is adjustable, and what I really love this one is the contrasting stitching right here, which is the lighter pink color. My husband said, again, because I just ordered 2 bags on my part 1, you guys are gonna see that my husband said that this one kind of reminds him of a raspberry color. It is pink reddish color, that's what he said, and it does have this minimal coach name right here. And now I am going to compare this with one of my Hermes Kelly. So the one that I'm gonna show you is an inspired bag, and this is what the bag looks like. As you guys can see, this one is a little bit lighter and this one is a little bit darker compared to this one. And the next thing that I'm going to do is we are going to compare this as well. Let me just grab it. We are going to compare this to my Michael Kors Blair As you guys can see in here, this one is a little bit bigger compared to this one. So if you guys are looking for an alternative for the LV Speedy Nano, this is a great alternative for that one. If you guys love this color, you can order this, or you guys can get this one in a neutral color. Like I said, I really love the color. It's just that for some reason the color combination and the leather, I feel like it kind of looks like a cheap looking. Well, it's just my opinion. So I don't know, because when I'm looking at this in the camera right now, while the sun is shining bright on it, it's really really nice, to be honest. Like I said, I got this one because of the color, and also as I am going to buy a bag on the higher end price with this color. And one of the reason why I got this one, because I want to test out the color with me first, if will be able to style it nicely, or if I will be able to get my cost per wear to that particular bag. I'm going to post a picture of the bag right here. So this is the bag that I was talking about. Like I said, I am still thinking about it, but I feel like I will be able to style this bag because I really love the color. Anyway, sorry for being so off topic. So here is the bag. Let's just do a comparison again. This is the front, this is the side. As you guys can see, the Michael Kors is bigger compared to the mini Rowan. This, by the way, this is the new version of the mini Rowan. I think the old version does have a zipper in front, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me on the comments down below if I got it wrong. And at the back, both of them doesn't have any back pockets. And lastly, both of them doesn't have any feet. Both of this ladies right here, both of them are does come with adjustable strap. And on the inside, the Michael Kors bag has more pockets compared to this one right here. So here is the bag. I do apologize, I am not going to do what fits in here, or I am not also going to do a mud shot, because just like I mentioned, I am going to return this bag. So if you guys are interested, this bag is still available at the Coach outlet. I'm not sure if it's still going to be available on this color, but probably will, because I'm going to return this. So yeah, so what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.